page, one more leak, and this came from school. And guys, package. This is for Terry Fan. This is not the rare DVD I told you about. This is a DVD I got from Amazon. My $5 gift card from Swagbucks. So here we go. Remember this, guys? My last unboxing video is back. So here we go. Oh, this is how important. I don't know what the fuck is this. My epic knife. One side motherfucker. Amazon. This is one of my personal favorite DVDs. It's not rare. It's one of my personal faves. So, oh shit! That was fucking stupid. I think it kind of popped this one. It's freaking hard to open. Sorry guys, hold on. Sorry guys. This is my personal favorite DVDs. Okay, what the fuck? Here we are. Look at my epic knife. I think it's fucking epic. Personal favorite DVDs. Unforgiven 07. Oh, this was one of my personal favorite DVDs. Don't know why. Fuck! No fucking answer. I don't think they had answer. That's a disc. No scratches. So just for Terry Fan, it's not the epic, it's not the rare DVD I was talking about. This is the one that I bought from Amazon. Thanks for watching. This is one of my first personal favorite DVDs. Thanks for watching. And peace.